Hi guys, and welcome back to the garage. One of the questions that we receive on a regular basis here at Ask AutoTrader is how can I repair my aircon? In the past, if you'd wanted to regas your system, you would have had to approach a service center or a technician to do the job for you. Now, DIY aircon regas kits have been available in the States for decades and have recently made their way to Europe. In South Africa, not so much. That is unless you know where to look. See, we managed to track down a company here in Johannesburg that actually does DIY aircon regas kits. And we got one. Now this kit that we have over here actually has a UV dye in it. It has conditioners, oils and sealants. And we're going to give it a bash and see if it actually works. In order to begin recharging the system, you need to locate the low pressure port on your aircon piping. That's this little one here marked with the L. You can remove the cap. You're then going to grab your Arctic Freeze kit and place the quick connector onto the low pressure valve. Then you're going to need to start the car, put the aircon on full blast, full fan speed, and then we can begin filling the system. You need to shake the can vigorously to keep the contents mixed while pulling the trigger in short bursts to fill the system. As soon as the pressure gauge reads the right pressure, you're ready to go. Once the gauge is full and the system won't take any more refrigerant, you can grab that little UV pen light. You can do a bit of an inspection to see if any of the fittings or pipes are leaking anywhere. You can even check the condenser down front. And if you really want to, you can jump in underneath the dashboard and give the HVAC box a bit of a check, see if there's any leaks there. Now, I do feel that I need to tell you that these DIY kits are not a fix-all. If there are any major problems in the system, like broken pipes or burst fittings or a pierced condenser, you will need to seek further assistance. Also, the car that you're filling has to have a 13mm low pressure port and must run on the R134A plus gas. If your car falls outside of these parameters, you won't be able to use these kits. But it's pretty simple to remember. Any car manufactured between 1995 and 2017 should use a 13mm low pressure port and of course the 134A gas. For those that are interested, we have included a link to where you can get these kits in the description. Now, if you have done everything correctly, the inside of your car should start resembling a winter wonderland. You're ready to face summer.